Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to delete Google account. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. So let's head over right here to our Gmail and then click on our profile icon right here. What you can do is you can head over on the actual account that you want to delete. For example, let's delete this account right here. Let's head over right here to the Google account and click on it. Then you can see it right here. What you can do in this case is to head over right here and then go to your security. Now you can see in here this securities to password verification and all of these things right here. What you can do in this case is to just head over right here to your devices and make sure to sign out of all devices right here as well as your account. So you may not be able to permanently delete your Google account, but if you have lost access, then it's good as deleted. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.